Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into EA Sports. First, you will need to launch your EA game or the EA app on your preferred gaming platform. Once the application loads, look for the clear login prompt, usually found on the main menu or startup screen. Have your EA account email address and password readily available to ensure a smooth and quick login process. This initial step is crucial for accessing all game features. Now it's time to input your account details. Begin by typing your registered EA account email address into the first field. Then, proceed to enter your secure password into the second, often masked, field. It is very important to double-check both your email and password for any potential typos or errors before you click the Sign In or Log In button. Accuracy here prevents unnecessary delays. For enhanced security, you might encounter a two-factor authentication step. If enabled, a unique verification code will be sent to your registered mobile device or email. Simply retrieve this 6-digit code and enter it into the provided field to complete the login. This extra layer of protection, often called two-factor authentication, helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access, even if your password is compromised. If you encounter any difficulties logging in, don't worry. First, if you've forgotten your password, utilize the Forgot Password link to reset it through your registered email. Also, confirm that your internet connection is stable and working correctly, as connectivity issues can prevent login. If problems persist, reach out to EA Help. Their support team can provide tailored assistance to get you back into your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.